Sweet potatoes are easy to grow, easy to care for, and produce tubers quickly. Therefore, I can take advantage of things like plastic containers and used household items to grow sweet potatoes. Low cost, avoid waste, and effective. First, we need to select the seedlings and compost them. I will use a clove of garlic to gently rub the sweet potato seedlings. This helps repel insects, remove impurities, and stimulate root growth before composting.
Two, please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thanks a lot.
Before planting the seeds, I will use 1 clove of garlic mixed with water to disinfect the moss before planting the sweet potato seeds. Garlic has very good effects, can repel insects, pests, prevent fungi, stimulate root and shoot growth, increase resistance.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
To grow seedlings, we can choose a suitable nursery pot. I put moss at the bottom of the pot, sow sweet potato seeds, and cover with a thin layer of moss. Then place the nursery pot in a cool place. Today, I will use a used 20-liter plastic barrel to grow sweet potatoes. It will save costs and not be wasteful. We covered the plastic bin with a lid and used a heat gun to punch drainage holes to prevent the plants from getting waterlogged when planted. When planting trees, we use green manure very well because it will provide long-term nutrition, make the soil loose, can take advantage of green manure from the kitchen, such as discarded vegetables, tubers, fruits, at low cost, does not cause pollution to humans. Vermicompost is rich in nutrients, has high antibacterial properties, and is environmentally friendly. Therefore, mixing it with potting soil is always my first choice. After preparing the planting materials, we put soil into the plastic bucket. With 1/2 of the plastic bucket, I put green manure in the middle and continue to add enough soil as needed. With this green manure method, after a short time, the manure will decompose and be supplied directly to the plant roots for absorption. After 5 days of incubation, the sweet potato seeds have sprouted healthily and taken root. Now we can prepare to plant them. Now, I use the cross-section to separate the sweet potato sprouts into suitable sections for planting.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
We plant appropriate portions of sweet potato seeds into containers and water them just enough to allow the plants to grow. Eggs are good for plant care, providing calcium, improving soil structure, enhancing resistance, providing other nutrients, neutralizing soil acidity, and can fight insects and pests. So when the plants sprouted and grew strong roots, I used chicken eggs mixed with water to water each plant. To help the plant have a natural metabolism and nutrition, the soil should be loose and more soil should be added to each pot so that the plant can withstand natural conditions well. Green manure is still the top priority when fertilizing sweet potatoes. 25 days after planting, when the potatoes are in the tuber formation stage. To increase nutrition, I use pureed papaya mixed with water to water each plant. By grinding the green manure with water, it will dissolve the nutrients, making it easier for plants to absorb.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
Sweet potato is a tuber plant with a short growing time. After only 2 months, the plant will be lush and can be harvested to see the results. Great, easy right guys, from things that can be thrown away. I took advantage of growing sweet potatoes, and after 2 months, I have the results. Big, long sweet potatoes. Now I can enjoy them.
Two, please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thanks a lot.